Okay. So in the traditional way, you normally just go here and just look at the documentation. But these days we have all generative AI. They already learn all this content, so it's pretty easy for them to um, uh, for the AI to get you the better and more accurate information. So in this case, we could always use AI to help us. So for example, I wanna give some make this text size a little bit bigger, change the color. So what I can do is I can go back to ChatGPT. I can say that how to configure the following Flutter text with a bigger font type, font size, and a different color. All right, so I put a code here, and then let's see what ChatGPT can tell us. All right, so very quickly they figure out this is how you do that in Flutter, and you look at the code. This is the text. That's the text here, and then they have a style, and they have a text style, and then they show you how you do the font size, how do you do the color, and then the font weight. Okay, so we're gonna copy this whole thing, or I would just copy. Yeah, let me just copy this whole entire code, and I'm gonna use this one. All right, so this part is the same, but now we have a style here. Okay, the style, you have a style font size 24, and we have a blue color, and then you also do the font weight. Okay, just a little bit bold. Okay, save the code. All right, so as you can see, this text style has been updated. All right, so that's how you can use AI to quickly help you to decorate. Okay, a lot of the time you have this idea, you don't know how to implement it. Using generative AI to get you all this information is a lot more efficient. Essentially, it's almost like the old way with Google it, or like I showed you, you just read the documentation. You do basically, you're looking at the same information, but generative AI does a good job to help you to precisely locate and customize the code for your use cases. So that's the way I would recommend you to do. So in the next sessions, whenever I talk about UI widget, you don't have to be expert. As long as you know what you want to do, just go to generative AI to figure out the solution. All right, so that's for the text, okay, how you can control different kind of styles, overflow, and obviously there are a lot of other things you can do with the text.